Hi dear students, welcome to my channel Trending Videos. So if you are new subscribers, please subscribe this channel, and if you like it then share it to others. Today the topic of discussion is about some important numerical problems of second year physics which are oftenly asked in the paper. And remember students, these all types of problems and examples are according to smart syllabus, and these numerical problems and examples are valid for all types of boards, and this is according to new scheme of 2021 and 22. So let's start our discussion from chapter number 12, which is about electrostatics. In this chapter we have some problems and examples that are important are 12.1, 7 and 8. These three numerical problems are mostly important, and examples like 12.4 and 6. These two examples are so important from the paper point of view. So now we are moving towards chapter number 13, which is about current electricity. In this chapter the numerical problems are 13.1, 2, 4 and 5. These numerical problems are important, and in the examples 13.1, 13.2 and 3. These three examples are mostly important from all of these. And now from chapter number 14, which is about electromagnetism. In this chapter we have some problems and examples here like 14.1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These numerical problems are most important, and example number 14.2, 3 and 4. These examples are important from chapter number 14, which is about electromagnetism. And now we are moving towards chapter number 15, which is about electromagnetic induction. So there are some problems and examples here like 15.1, 3, 5, 6, 11 and 16. These numerical problems are important, and example number 1 and 8 are also important from the paper point of view. So by solving all of these problems and examples, you will be able to get 100% marks of your subjective part numerical problems. And now from chapter number 16, which is about alternating current. So in this chapter there are some problems like 16.1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. These numerical problems are important, and example number 1, 3, 4 and 7. These examples are important from paper point of view, which can be asked in the paper. Now from chapter number 16, which is about physics of solids. So in this chapter we have some problems like 17.1, 17.2 and 3. These numerical problems are important. And further, if we talk about examples that can be asked, which is 17.1, and this one only one example is most important from chapter number 17. And now we are moving towards chapter number 18, which is about electronics. So remember students, from chapter number 18, the one thing you should keep in mind that there is no numerical problem that can be asked from chapter number 18, and there is no example that can be asked from chapter number 18. And now from chapter number 19, the problem number 5, 6, 9 and 10. These examples are mostly asked in the previous 5-year papers, and these are very important. So and the examples are 19.4, 5, 8, 9, 10 and 11. These examples are mostly important from the paper point of view. And now we are moving towards chapter number 20, which is about atomic spectra. So in this chapter, problem number 20.2, 3, 7 and 8. These numerical problems are mostly important, and the examples are 20.1. This is only one example which can be asked in the paper. And now from chapter number 21, which is the last chapter of our second year physics, which is about nuclear physics. So in this chapter there are some problems like 21.1, 3, 6 and 7. These numerical problems are important from the paper point of view, and the examples are like 21.1 and 2. These two examples are mostly important that can be asked in the paper. So if you solve all these problems, then you can get 100% marks of your subjective part numerical problems. Thank you so much. For further information, for further videos, like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.